Tired of manually adding contacts to Wati? There's a much easier way. In this video, I'll show you how to import contacts from Google Sheets directly into Wati in just a few simple steps, saving you time and effort. First, make sure your Google Sheet is properly formatted. You'll need a column for phone numbers. This is crucial. Other columns can include names, emails, and other relevant information. Next, log into your Wati account and navigate to the Contacts section. Look for the icon or button that says Import Contacts. It's usually located at the top right or within the Manage Contacts area. Select Google Sheets as your import source. Wati will then ask you to authorize access to your Google account. Don't worry, this is a secure process. Choose the specific Google Sheet containing your contact list. Wati will now preview the data to confirm the columns being imported. This is where you'll map the columns from your Google Sheet to the corresponding fields in Wati. For example, match the phone number column in the sheet to the phone number field in Wati. This ensures the information is correctly imported. Once you've mapped all the necessary fields, click Import. Wati will begin processing the contacts and you'll see a confirmation message when the import is complete. And that's it. Your contacts are now successfully imported into Wati, ready to be used for your campaigns. You can now easily manage and message your contacts. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Wati tips and tricks. Like and subscribe for more helpful content.